as I've been learning, there's been occasions where I've been a little bit overzealous with my variable creation, and I've run into situations where actually I've got duplicate variables that are actually doing the same thing, possibly in different places in the blueprint code. And to kind of tidy that up so there aren't kind of two streams happening, you can swap out and kind of spring clean using your right click. And here, for example, I've got integer original and I've got a integer replacement. So you can only do it like for like. So here the replace variable only lists other integers. So if I now click int replacement, it will swap that node. And similarly, if it's a get int replacement, if I select both, unfortunately you can't then just say int original. So it only swapped the top one, it didn't swap the bottom one. So, don't sort of go through multi-selecting and then just swap them out. You do have to do them individually, it seems, which is a bit of a shame. Unless you know differently, please do comment below. So yeah, right click and replace variable. So I hope that video is of use. If so, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive any updates. And thank you for your support.